Today, I want to share with you a framework for understanding your clients' money patterns and behaviors. And this framework is through what's called archetypes. And the archetypes are based on a Carl Jung framework in psychology. And there are actually money archetypes, and they're called the 8 money types that were created by Deborah Price, the founder of the Money Coaching Institute. And what I love about working with clients in their money types is that you get to really understand their patterns and behaviors and how they react, respond, and relate to money. So there's 8 different money archetypes, and they come with different financial patterns and behaviors. And understanding these and what they are for your clients, it's kind of like the Myers-Briggs of financial planning. So with the knowledge as to what their patterns and behaviors are, as financial advisors, you can communicate and work with them in a way that's going to resonate with them. So instead of recommending that they take one course of action, and that might be setting up some savings goals or spending less money. But if they're an archetype that really enjoys spending lots of money and they don't like setting goals and they don't like budgeting, it's going to be very challenging for them to implement that advice. So if you have that awareness about their money type and what their natural behaviors are, you can structure some strategies and put them in place and communicate with them in a way that they're going to best achieve the financial advice that you're wanting to give them. So these 8 money types, you can learn more about them. I've written about each of the different money types and what you need to look out for all of these different characteristics in a blog article. So I'm going to put a link in the comments so you can go and have a read and learn more. But the 8 money archetypes are the warrior, the magician, the fool, the innocent, the martyr, the victim, and the creator artist. Yes, I got the 8. And each one of these has their own patterns and behaviors as to how they manage money. And knowing this can make a really big difference when you're providing advice to clients or putting strategies in place. It gives you an understanding of what their natural habits are going to be when it comes to money, and you can put strategies in place or communicate in a way to them that's really going to resonate with them. So another thing that you can actually do is you can take the money quiz yourself. And I think this is something that you could implement into your new client experience. So when you're doing a fact find for a client, you can actually get them to take the money type quiz, because that's going to give you a really good insight as to what they're like financially when it comes to money. And you'll come to learn that the different money types have different characteristics, and some you'll be able to work with really well, and others you'll find challenging yourself because of your own money types. And what I typically find is when financial advisors take the money type quiz, they always come out as the warrior money type. And the warrior money type is the money type that I'm leading my clients to move towards through our coaching process, because this is the really strong, active, goal-focused, really powerful money type that is very financially successful in all the right ways. So if you do go and take the quiz yourself, I will no doubt, if you're a financial advisor, you're going to come out with a strong warrior score. However, we typically tend to be a couple of different other money types as well. So it'd be really curious for you to find out, well, what are the other money types that might come into play? And they might kind of sit in the back seat of the car while the warrior is driving the car. But in times of stress or conflict, these other money types can come out and start driving the car and taking financial direction for you. So I hope you found this framework really valuable. As a former financial advisor myself, I wish I had these tools so I could communicate better and really put strategies in place, or understand where I know my client's going to fall over or trip up, and I can have that support and the strategies there to actually help them overcome those challenges that we have. And let's face it, we all have some unresolved money issues, and it's about having an awareness as to what they are and putting strategies in place to make them get the most effective results from your clients. So thanks for listening, and bye for now.